Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today I'm doing a video where I'm going to show the recent things I bought from the JCrew factory outlet and a try on downstairs. I'm going to go downstairs and try them on. I wasn't going to do this so close to the last, my last video was a try on video too. And I thought, well, I'm just not going to do it at all because probably all the stuff's, gone or, picked over and stuff like that. But I looked and it's still, most of it was still available. Well, all of it was still available, and just a few of the pieces were, the sizes were, picked over. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and do it in case anybody, because it's at the factory, so it's already reduced. And then it's, usually reduced even more than that here so late in the year. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and show it then. I'm not going to do a voiceover like I did last time because I've got so much going on this weekend. But what I'll do is, with each outfit that I show, I will just put the information and the size that I'm wearing and that type of stuff. So in case you're interested, then you can go look at it. I'm excited about some videos I've got coming on up. I'm going to be doing a collab with my friend Daphne, who lives in Ireland. She and I both kind of like to look at, movie stars or old Hollywood and then try to recreate the looks. We've both done videos on that. So I asked her, I said, would you like to do one together? And so we decided we're going to do it next week. And she's choosing someone for me and I'm choosing someone for her. And then that person has to recreate the look. So I think that'll be a lot of fun and I hope that everybody enjoys it. I just love Daphne. She's just absolutely wonderful and just so beautiful. I'm also going to do a video, I'm going to do a video comparing the Lancome Stick Foundation with the L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation. And the L'Oreal's really good. So I'm going to do a comparison of that. I've been wearing it more and comparing it to the other one. So I can do a pretty thorough video on it. And let's see, what else? I had talked to someone about being a grandparent, especially living in the same town as your grandchildren, and what our role as grandparents are in today's society. Is it important? Is it an important thing to have your grandparents around? What are people's thoughts about it? And how much do you interfere if you live in the same town with your grandchildren? So I do have some thoughts on that, so I thought that maybe we could get a discussion going on that. So I'm going to go ahead and go downstairs and show my recent haul from JCrew factory.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home. Ooh, ooh, ooh. wherever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it so much. Probably my next video will be the one with Daphne. I'm looking forward to it. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.